Hi everyone, it's time for Let's Stay Home Yoga Day 5. Today it's called Fun with Animals. But we're going to start with our sun salutation. Grab as many, look at how many animals I have today. Okay, you can have that many animals. Go grab your animals, as many as you want. Put them in front of your mat. Okay, I'll meet you on your mat. Them all yet? Keep bringing them. I'm going to count backwards from 10 in Japanese to zero. And when I get to zero, then you have to be on your mat. Ready? Ju, Kyu, Hachi, Nana, Roku, Go, Yon, San, Ni, Ichi, Zero. Okay, animals on in front of your mat, or maybe my animals have their own mat today. Okay, we are going to start with our sun salutation. Here we go. Up to your feet, please. Oh, you can't see my head today. Let's just do it on our knees. Okay, here we go. Ready? The sun, I salute the sun. I open my heart to everyone. The sun rises, the sun sets, on the whole world my heart rests. Again, I rise, happy to be, ready to live, ready to give. The sun, I salute the sun. I open my heart to everyone. I'll face the other way. You can do the standing if you want. The sun, I salute the sun. I open my heart to everyone. The sun rises. I think I did that wrong. Here we go. The sun, I salute the sun. I open my heart to everyone. The sun rises, the sun sets, on the whole world my heart rests. Again, I rise, happy to be, ready to live, ready to give. The sun, I salute the sun. I open my heart to everyone. Okay, let's sit down now. You can have your animals in front of you if you want, and to invite a few of them to sit on you, that's fine. Because the first thing we're going to do today are our breaths. Do you remember last time we practiced our, that's right, bumblebee breath. What was the other one? Snake breath, yes. So the one thing that we want to make sure of, I'm going to turn so you can see me. If we sit like this, and it's hard, you know, your lungs are here, you got to open up your heart so that your lungs have lots of room. So can you sit up tall? I know you can. Okay, so you're going to sit up tall. The other thing that we learned about our breath so far is that when you inhale, that when you bring the air inside, your belly gets really big, like big jug of water. And then when you exhale, when the air goes out, it gets small. Can you feel that? Inhaling, exhaling. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so let's do, I know I have a bumblebee somewhere. Let me find my bumblebee. Oh, bumblebee, where are you? Oh, there's my bumblebee. There's my bumblebee. Can you see him? He's a little beanie baby. Okay. Bean baby. My bumblebee is going to be right here. We're going to do a bumblebee breath. Let's do it 3 times. So remember, you're going to make that zzz just on one breath. Ready? Here we go. Zzz. more time. Deep inhale and open one eye. Open your other eye. Okay. Snake breath, right? Same idea, except it's. Here we go. I don't have a snake. Do you have a snake? If you have a snake, you can bring your animal, your stuffy snake right by you. Okay, here we go. Let's do that 3 times. Ready? At the end, just sit here with your eyes closed. Can you feel your heartbeat? Okay, open one eye. Open your other eye. Okay, here's what we're going to do today. Now, I'm going to do it with my animals, and you get to do it with your animals. Because my animals are all little beanie babies, and I'm not sure that you can see them very well. This is a monkey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let some of my animals just chill over here. They're just going to be in the audience today, okay? They're going to enjoy watching this. So I'm going to take one animal at a time, so you get to practice it too. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your animal, you're just going to gently toss it. We're not throwing it, okay? This is my panda that's been joining us every day. So here's the panda. What you're going to do is you're going to throw it up, and however it lands, that's how you put your body. So you probably can't see mine. Mine landed like this. Can you put your body like that? Let's try it. Okay. I'm a panda. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, my next animal is a giraffe. Okay. Let's see what the giraffe does. Or any animal that you have. Okay, I'm just going to gently toss it up and boom. Let's see. Can you see it here? Okay, I'll show you. I'm just going to scoop it onto my hand. Here we go. Look. Can you put your body like that? Okay, let me think. Okay. My legs are like this, and my arms are like this. Oh, I kind of have my head turned to the side. That's what the giraffe did. Let's see what else we have. The monkey. This is a fun monkey because look how long its arms and legs are. Okay, I'm just going to give it a very gentle toss up and see what it does. Oh my gosh. I think that one's kind of hard. I'm going to show you. Can you put your body like that? I'm not sure I can. Let me see, my head is down. One leg is over here. And this leg is here. Oh my gosh. That's a silly monkey pose, isn't it? Okay. Let's do one more. Which one shall we do? Oh, here's a fun one. Do you all know him? This is Babar. He's an elephant, right? And look what it says. This says yoga. So he's my yoga Babar. His arms and legs can move. So I'm going to make his arms stick out and his legs stick out. And we're going to see what he does, okay? Here we go. Just a gentle toss up. Boom. Ah! Can you see this? I'm going to move him back like this. Look. Can you put your body like that? I don't think my nose is that long, but I'll try. My arms are out, my legs are out, and my head is down like this. Oh, I feel like a yoga Babar. It's kind of like downward dog, isn't it? Except my legs are wide. Whew. So you can do that with your own animals. You just toss them up, and however they land, you put your body. It's a fun thing to do, to have yoga with your animal friends, right? Okay. Now today I'm going to read you another story. So if you want to get a pillow, you can. You're going to put your head on it. You don't have to have a pillow for your head. Now I'm going to get my glasses because I'm 100 years old, almost 100, so that I can read to you. Oh, do you know what else you can do? You can get all of your animals. You can put them on your body. You can put them by your mat, whatever you want to do. But then you're going to get very, very, very still. So take a moment. Take your time getting all your animals together. All your animals together. All of them, whatever you want. And you can be like this with all your animals all over your body if you want. See that? Oh, I can even get one on my knee, I think. Okay. Because my animals are going to join me in a little story. You get comfortable, and I'm going to sit up so I can read. I have to have my card and my glasses, and you get to have all your animals. Lie on your back and close your eyes. Settle down and relax. As you close your eyes, go inside. Breathe in love and breathe out worry. Now imagine you are outside. The sun is shining. Birds are singing. Can you hear them? You hear a rustling in the bushes, then a giggle. It's an animal watching you, and it wants to be your friend. What kind of animal is it? Let it come close to you so you can sit together. The animal is wise and here to support you. If you have a question or a secret problem, you can share it with him. You can share it with him and he will help you. Your animal friend loves you very much. Now slowly sit up. If you want to bring all your animals with you, you can. Your animals can be right here with you. All your animal friends. And we're going to end together with our mantra. Sit up tall, feel your heart open. Let's stay home. Open one eye. Open your other eye. And on the count of 3, we'll say namaste to one another. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you had fun with your animal friends. See you next time.